The F-18 Hornet is one of the most famous and powerful fighter jets in the world, widely known for its role in modern air combat and carrier operations. Developed originally by McDonnell Douglas and later produced by Boeing, the F-18 Hornet is a multi-role fighter aircraft designed to perform both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions with high efficiency. Even in 2026, the Hornet remains an important aircraft in many air forces due to continuous upgrades and modernization programs. The F-18 Hornet is powered by two General Electric turbofan engines that provide powerful thrust and high reliability during combat missions. Each engine produces strong thrust with afterburner, allowing the aircraft to reach speeds up to Mach 1.8, which is about 1900 km per hour at high altitude. The jet has a service ceiling of around 50,000 feet, meaning it can operate at extremely high altitudes. Its combat radius is approximately 700 kilometers, and its ferry range can exceed 2,000 kilometers with external fuel tanks, making it suitable for long-distance missions. In terms of performance, the F-18 Hornet is known for its excellent maneuverability, high rate of climb, and strong thrust-to-weight ratio. These features allow the aircraft to perform sharp turns, rapid climbs, and high-speed interceptions during air combat. The Hornet is also capable of carrying a wide variety of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, guided bombs, and a built-in 20 mm cannon. It has multiple hardpoints under the wings and fuselage, allowing it to carry heavy payloads for different mission types. The design of the F-18 Hornet focuses on versatility and carrier-based operations. Its strong landing gear, folding wings, and reinforced structure make it ideal for aircraft carriers. The cockpit is equipped with advanced avionics, radar systems, and helmet-mounted displays that help pilots detect targets, navigate, and engage enemies with high accuracy. Modern variants also include advanced electronic warfare systems to protect the aircraft from enemy radar and missiles. When it comes to price, the cost of an F-18 Hornet or its modern variants can range in tens of millions of US dollars per unit, depending on configuration, upgrades, and contracts. Maintenance and operational costs are also high, which is common for advanced fighter jets. For 2026, there is no completely new release of the F-18 Hornet, but upgraded versions and modernized systems are expected to remain in service. Many countries continue to use the Hornet due to its proven combat record, reliability, and continuous technological improvements. Even though newer stealth fighters like the F-35 are being introduced, the F-18 Hornet still plays a critical role in modern air forces. Overall, the F-18 Hornet is a powerful, versatile, and legendary fighter jet that has shaped modern aerial warfare for decades and continues to be a key asset in global military aviation.